Welcome to 1309 Hudson Avenue in the heart of Durham, North Carolina. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to these newly renovated condos featuring 2 versatile floor plans designed for modern living. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to invest, this community offers a vibrant neighborhood and fantastic opportunity to call Durham home. Let's take a look inside and see what makes these condos so special. If you like what you see and you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm Jamie Skojek with the Kaza Group at eXp.